Yeah, good morning, students. This is Patnaik sir from Railway English Medium School number 1, Bilaspur. Once again, welcome in your online classes. That day, already I explained these problems, but some students gave messages that they could not hear properly due to some network problem. So once again, I'm repeating this. On Monday, I'm going to start gravitation. Okay. Now, what is given? A force of 5 newtons gives a mass m1 and acceleration of 10 meter per second square, and a mass m2 and acceleration of 20 meter per second square. What acceleration would it give if both masses are tied together? See here, there are two masses. One is m1 and other is m2. Okay, force of 5 newtons gives a mass m1. Suppose this is a mass m1. You are giving a force of 5 newtons over it and it gives an acceleration of 10 meters. What is the acceleration? Rate of change of velocity is called an acceleration. Okay, it is giving 10 meter per second square. Similarly, this is a mass m2. It gives an acceleration of 20 meter per second square. What acceleration force we are applying the same force, that is 5 newton. This is light in weight, This will have more acceleration as compared to this. Okay. Now what acceleration would it give if both masses are tied together? Now what you did that you have tied these two masses in this way. Now you are giving the same force, that is force of 5 newtons. What will be the acceleration if both masses are tied together? Okay. For this, you have to find the first mass m1, then mass m2, then go on adding, you will get m1 plus m2. Now you know that force equal to mass into acceleration. What is the force? 5 newtons. Total mass, you combine the masses into acceleration. Or you can say A equal to F by m. Now, force, first what is given you write. Whenever you get a numerical, what is given in the question first year? A force of 5 newtons, F equal to 5 newtons. Gave a mass m1 you don't know. And acceleration, let be a1 equal to 10 meter per second square. And a mass m2 equal to question mark. A2 acceleration A2 equal to 20 meter per second square. Now see here, force is given F equal to M1 into A1. Force is 5 newtons, 5 equal to M1 into A1. What is the A1? 10 meter per second. Or M1 equal to 5 by 10. That is equal to 1 by 2. You got mass of the first object, that is m1 equal to 1 by 2. Similarly, you find F equal to m2 into A2. Force equal to 5 newtons, 5 equal to m2 into what is the second acceleration? 20. Or m2 equal to 5 by 20, that is equal to 1 by 4. Got it? You got the mass of the first object, mass of the second object. Now m equal to total mass m1 plus m2. That is equal to m1, how much you got? 1 by 2. What is m2? 1 by 4. Take the LCM of this two. Got it? Now for what? This is equal to, you take LCM 4, 2 plus 1. That is equal to 3 by 4 kg. Combined mass is 3 by 4 kg. What we did, force equal to 5 newtons, m1, it gives a mass m1, you don't know, you have to find. A1 is 10 meter per second square, m2 is question mark, you have to find A2 equal to 20 meters square. Now you know force equal to mass into acceleration, F equal to m1 into A1. Now how much force we are applying? 5 newtons, m1 into what is A1? 10. Or m1 equal to 5 by 10, that is 1 by 2. Again, F equal to M2 into A2. M equal to 5 equal to M2 into A2 20. 5 by 20, that is equal to 1 by 4. Now combined mass M equal to M1 plus M2. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4. Take the LCM 4, 2 2 2 plus 1, that is equal to 3 by 4. Combined mass of these two objects 3 by 4 kg. Now what you have to find? Acceleration. F is equal to M into A. Force is same, 5 newtons, m into acceleration, you have to find. M equal to how much you got? 3 by 4 into A. Or A equal to 5 into 4 by 3. 5 4 are 20 by 3. That you are getting 6.6666 like that. Or you can say A equal to 6.67 meter per second square. Therefore, acceleration is 6.67 square. Have you understood? Once again, a force of 5 newtons means force is given 5 newtons. Mass m1 we have to find. A1 is 10 meter per second square. M2 equal to question mark. A2 equal to 20 meters square. Okay. Force equal to m1 into A1. Force 5 newtons, m1 into 10. m1 equal to 5 by 10, that is 1 by 2. Similarly, F equal to m2 into A2. 5 equal to m2 into A2 is 20. m2 equal to 5 by 20, 1 by 4. Now combined mass of the two objects. What is asked in the question? What will be the acceleration if the masses are tied together? And the same force acting on it. That is m equal to m1 plus m2. That is m1 is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4. Take the LCM here 4, 2 2 ja 2 1 ja plus 4. 2 plus 1 3 by 4. Therefore combined mass of these two objects is 3 by 4 kg. Now force equal to mass into acceleration. Force we are giving the same amount of force that is 5 newtons. Mass is combined mass is 3 by 4 into acceleration. Or acceleration equal cross multiply 5 into 4 by 3. That is 20 by 3, 6.666. Or you can say A equal to 6.67 meter per second square. Got it? Come on, take down. Now second question I am writing. Second, the velocity time graph of a ball of mass 20 grams moving along a straight line. Okay, see here what is given the question. The velocity time graph of a ball of mass 20 grams. Mass is given, mass of the ball is 20 grams. Along a straight line on a long table. Suppose this is a table. Suppose this is a table, a ball is moving, ball of 20 grams is moving along the straight line is given the figure. How much force does the table? Now, when the ball is moving here, the table will also exert some force on the ball, okay, due to which the ball will come to the rest. How much force does the table exert on the ball to bring to rest? Very nice question. The velocity time graph of a ball of mass 20, mass equal to 20. First, you know, mass, when the mass is given, what you have to convert? You have to convert it into kg. That is 20 by 1000. That equal to 0.02. Now for this, You know, when the velocity time graph is given, A equal to, now how to find this one? What will, this is time and this is velocity. A equal to velocity upon time. That is final velocity initial. What will do? 0 minus final. What is the final velocity? It is given 20. Wait, it is given 20. 0 minus 20 upon, what is here, time, t minus, this equal to minus 20 upon 10, or this equal to minus 2 meter per second square. Whenever you have to find the acceleration in the velocity time graph, what we'll do is that initial minus final velocity upon t2 minus t1, or total, what is the time here? See here, maximum is 10, 10 minus 0. Okay, this is the way how to find it. Or 0 minus 20 upon 10 minus 0. Or this equal to minus 20 upon 10 equal to minus 2 meter per second square. You can say acceleration, you got it, equal to minus 2 meter per second. Now what is the formula? Force equal to mass into acceleration. Or force equal to, what is mass? 0.02 into acceleration is minus 2. This equal to how much here? 0.04. Got it? See here, what is the problem here? This is given in centimeter. So you have to convert into meter per second square. I have not seen here. I thought that is it is meter and this is second. You have to convert into centimeters given. It is given centimeter. Had it been meter, no need to. This is the correct answer. But if it is given in centimeter, what will do? That minus 20 by how much you got? Minus 2. Minus 2 centimeter per second square. Now convert into meter per second square. Had it been meter per second, this is your correct answer. But I have seen that in the graph, the little here written in centimeter. So convert into 2 minus 2 by 100. That is equal to minus 0.02 meter per second square. This is the acceleration. Okay, whenever it is centimeter, convert into meter per second square. When it is kilometer, you convert into meter per. Okay, this is so minus 0.02 or 0.02 into minus 0.02. Multiply how many times? 2 to the 4 directly. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. After 4 places you will have decimal. Means 1, 2, 3, 4. 0.004. You got the answer 0.004. This force is always in newtons. So this much force. Now this is will be in minus. Minus means in the opposite direction. That the table will exert on the ball in the direction opposite to that of the motion. Okay, ball अगर ऐसा जा रहा है तो the table will also exert a force of 0.004 newtons in that direction. Negative sign indicates that it is in the direction opposite to that of the motion of the ball. So this much force will be exerted by the table on the ball to come to, so that the ball will come to the rest. Okay. Have you understood? Once again I am doing the velocity time graph of a ball of mass. This is centimeter. Okay. This is in seconds only. But this is in centimeter. How much force does the table exert on the ball to bring to rest? Now mass of the ball is given how much? 20 grams. 20 grams means 20 by 1000. That is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. One more put 0 here and put the decimal. That is 0.02 kg. Now acceleration is equal to, initial minus final upon time. Time is this time, T2 minus T1 you can say. Always remember, whenever you get a graph question, you will do in this way only. What is 0 minus 20 upon 10 minus 0? That is minus 20 by 10 equal to. Now this is in centimeters. So 1010 will cancel. How much you will get? Minus 2 centimeter per second square. Or in the next step you do, that is equal to minus 2 by 100. This will be meter by second square. Or 1 2, that is 0.02 meter per second square. Now force equal to mass into acceleration. Force equal to mass 0.02 into acceleration 0.02. That is 0.0004 newtons. So this is a negative. Negative sign indicates that the force is exerted on the ball in the direction against that motion. Okay. Come on, take down. See this question. A bullet of mass 20 grams is horizontally fired with a velocity of 150 meter per second from a pistol of mass 2 kg. What is the recoil? Suppose this is a pistol, okay, and this the bullet is mass 20 grams. When you horizontally, vertically means this and horizontal means when you fire, the pistol will also come backwards, which is called recoil velocity. So, what is the recoil velocity of the pistol? Now, here mass of the bullet M1, you will write bullet M equal to 20 grams equal to convert 20 by 1000. Always the units are in kg. Kg. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. That is equal to 0.02 kg. Mass of the pistol M2. What will the mass of the pistol is given how much? 2 kg. Initial, when you hold a pistol in this way, the initial velocity of the bullet this bullet as well as the initial velocity of the gun or pistol will be zero. That is u1 of bullet equal to initial velocity of pistol u2 equal to. Okay. Now what is the fired horizontally with a velocity of 150 from a pistol? That is, you can say final velocity of bullet equal to 150 meter per second. Then you have to find the, you can also write let the recoil velocity of the pistol equal to V or V2 equal to recoil velocity. Let the recoil velocity of pistol equal to V2. Now according to law of conservation of momentum, what is according you write? According to law of conservation of momentum, M1 U1 plus M2 U2 equal to M1 V1 plus M2. Mass M1 is a bullet 0.02 into 0 plus what is the mass of the pistol? How much? 2 kg. 2 into 0 is equal to mass of the M1 V1, that is 0.02 into what is the velocity? 150 plus M2. What is M2? 2 into V2. Or 0.02, this will be 0 plus 0 equal to multiply 15, 0, 15 to the 30. 1, 2, after 2 places decimal, that is plus 2V2. Or 0 equal to 3 plus 2V2. Or you can say minus 3 equal to 2V2. Or minus 3 by 2 equal to V2. Or V2 equal to 3 minus 3 upon 2, that is V2 equal to minus 1.5. Therefore the recoil velocity will be minus 1.5 meter per second. Okay, so recoil velocity of the pistol is minus 1 point. Minus sign indicates that it will move in the direction opposite to that of the bullet. That means the pistol will move backwards. Okay. With this, time is running out. With this, I am ending my class. Tomorrow means in the next class, that is on Monday, I will start gravitation. What is gravitation? When I spoke to Anand Mishra sir, he told that he already explained the gravitation chapter. Okay, but once again we'll repeat that chapter because from that you will be getting the examination. Okay. First chapter, this one, force and laws of motion. Next is gravitation. In that chapter also many numericals are there. We'll try to do. So I will be sending some numericals. About 14 to 15 numericals are there in this force and laws of motion. Practice it. You will get these questions from this in the examination. Okay, practice it nice. Very easy. This one. Have you understood this one? Recoil velocity. Always according to law of conservation momentum, M1 U1 plus M2 U2 equal to M1 V1 plus M2 V2. Just put the values of mass, initial velocity. Always the initial velocity of the gun and the bullet will be 0. Okay. With this I am ending class. Hope you understood. Thank you and have a nice day.